is inside. We're paying for the gas and then I'm waiting for the attendant. Then we can fill up and move on to the next post. So I go myself. Oh my goodness. Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm currently at Masvingo. I was getting some food from Steve. Yeah, this thing is too full. So it's now drizzling outside. I don't know if you can see the rain, but I just need to go and get the laundry off the line. It's been raining for over 2 weeks now, so I don't have space to put this clothes because the garage washing laundry line is already full. So these ones are going to be in here. At least they're no longer dripping. They're almost dry. So I'm just going to put them in here. And don't mind the things that are on that side. Those are the things for resale, so don't mind them. This is how it's looking. I'm just going to get more stuff and see where I can put it. This is the only way that we have to dry these clothes. Now I'm just removing the pegs. From the devotional that I have to read every day. This is the book that I'm currently reading. Okay, those are the other books. That's Becoming and Steve Jobs. Let me show you. That is Becoming and the Steve Jobs one. I think after my current read, I'm going to read this Steve Jobs because I've read this before, but I want to read it again. So I am currently reading Authentically Uniquely You by Joyce Meyer. So this is what I am reading: Living Free from Comparison and the Need to Please. I did a haul of this book, so yeah, if you want to see the price, please go check the previous videos. You'll see this one. So this is what I'm currently reading. This is a nice read. I don't want to lie to you. It's a very beautiful book. Outside and inside, it's very beautiful, and I love the message inside. So I'm currently on, wow, which page am I? Okay, I'm now on part 3. It's a 3-part book. So I'm now on part 3, which says moving forward as the real you. And yeah, it's chapter 18, which is page 169. So I'm only left with 30, around 70 something pages. Yeah, somewhere there. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. This is the last page from the last chapter, which is page 242. Then these are just the scriptures that I can read and stuff. So yeah, this is how far I am. This is how much I have read. Okay, it's not focusing. This is how much I have read. This is how much I have left. So I'm only left with these pages. So I can be done by today if I want. I can be done by tomorrow or next week or whatever. But yeah, I'm almost done with this particular one, and I can't wait for my next read. So yeah, let me get reading, and then yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Today is a Saturday, by the way, the 14th of March.